Paano natin makukuha ang mean, median at mode kapag marami tayong given na data? Yan ay masasagot natin sa ating lesson, which is measures of central tendency of group data. For our objective, you will be able to calculate the measures of central tendency of group data. Let us first have a review. So the measures of central tendency is a group of observable values around which the observations in a given set tends to cluster. A measure of central tendency indicates a value that is most typical or representative of the set of an observation. So yung measure of central tendency ay representative ng isang set of observation. Ang tatlo sa ginagamit na measure of central tendency ay first mean. Mean is known as the average score. So para makuha natin yung mean, we are just going to find the sum or ina-add lang natin lahat ng data and then i-divide natin kung ilan sila lahat. Next is median. Median is the value of the middle score for an odd number item or the mean of the two middle scores for an even number of items. So yung median, for example, ang given natin is 31, 14, 20, 15, and 20. So ang gagawin natin para makuhang median, i-arrange muna natin sila from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. So 14, 15, 20, 20, and 31. So, pag kinukuha natin ang median, ay kinukuha natin yung pinakagitna or yung middle score. So, dito ang middle score natin ay 20. So, ito kung papansin nyo, add yung bilang ng ating scores. Pero paano kapag even number? For example is 15, 20, 20, 31, 48, 52. So, mapapansin ninyo, ang gitna niya ay 20 at 31. So, kapag ganun, we are going to find the average or mean nung nasa gitna. So, para makuha ang mean, we are just going to add them, divide by 2. So, that is 20 plus 31 is 51, divided by 2 is 25.5. So, yun yung ating median. Next is the mode. Mode is the most occurring score in a given set of data. So, yung mode ay yung pinakamaraming beses na nag-a-appear doon sa ating data. So, dito sa example natin sa una, ang mode natin ay 20 kasi 2 beses siya nag-appear. Kumpara doon sa iba, 1 beses lang. Now, let us talk about the mean of group data. So, kapag yung number ng items ng set ay napakarami, for example is 100 yung given na data, pwede pa naman siyang makompute gamit yung mano-mano na i-add natin lahat divided by 100. Pero mas best na makompute natin sila by using frequency distribution. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung frequency distribution? Yung frequency distribution ay isang table na kung saan nandun yung scores at nandun din yung frequency. So, yung scores ay doon nakalagay yung mga interval natin. For example, from 50 to 55. Okay? At ilan yung ang score ay nasa 50 to 55. For example, ay 2. Okay? Yun yung frequency. So, wag masyadong malito kasi mamaya ay i-discuss natin yan isa-isa. Pag-usapan muna natin yung formula na ginagamit natin sa pagkuha ng mean ng group data. So, yung formula na ginagamit natin is this one. Mean equals summation of f of fx sub m over n. So, again, wag mo nang mataranta kapag nakakita kayo ng ganitong formula. Iisa-isahin natin yung meaning ng bawat symbol na yan. Ayan, wherein this one Ang ibig sabihin nito ay mean. Kapag may nakita kayong x tapos may line sa taas, yun ay mean. Next is, itong f naman, ito yon ay frequency. So, yung frequency, kung gaano kadami yung kabilang doon sa class interval na mamaya pag-uusapan natin. Ang class mark naman, or x sub m, ito yon ay average of the lower interval and upper interval. Mamaya pag-uusapan din natin yon. Ang summation of f x sub m ay i-add lang natin yung sum ng product ng f times x sub m. Okay? And then yung n naman ay yung total frequency. I-add lang natin lahat ng frequency. Okay? Punta na tayo dun sa ating example. For example, you are going to calculate the mean score of 40 students given in the table below. So, alam natin ang n ay 40. Okay? Kasi 40 students. So, ito yung scores ng 40 students in a math quiz. So, bali, ito yung interval natin. Tag dito ay intervals. Itong mga to. So, 98 to 100, 95 to 97, 92 to 94, hanggang sa pababa. Now, dito naman sa second column, ito yung frequency. Dalawa yung naka 98 to 100. Isa yung naka 95 to 97. Isa lang yung naka 92 to 94. Anim yung naka 89 to 91. Anim yung naka 86 to 88. 5 yung naka 83 to 85. 9 yung naka 80 to 82, and so on. Ngayon, ito yung tinatawag nating frequency data or frequency distribution. Okay? So, para makompute natin ang mean ng group data, magdadagdag tayo ng another column. So, kunin muna natin yung total ng frequency. So, pag in-add natin 2, itong 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 40. Okay? Kasi 40 students yung ating kinuhanan ng score. Next is yung x sub m. Ang x sub m ay yung average ng lower interval at higher interval. Sabihin, average niya, ipag-a-add natin sila divided by 2. So, 98 plus 100 divided by 2, that is 198 divided by 2, that is equal to 99. Or, para mas madali, pwedeng wag nyo na itong computin, yung nasa gitna or pagitan na lang ng 98 at 100. So, ano ba yung nasa pagitan ng 98 at 100? That is 99. Next, anong nasa pagitan ng 95 at 97? That is 96. Ang class mark ng 92 and 94 is 93. Dito naman ay 90. Dito naman ay 87. Dito naman ay 84. Next is 81. Next is 78, 75, and 72. Okay? Next is fx sub m. So, itong f, ito yon, ito yung f, at x sub m, ito yon. So, i-multiply lang natin sila. So, 2 times 99 is equal to 198. Ito yon, 2 times 99. 1 times 96 is equal to 96. 1 times 93 is equal to 93. 6 times 90 is equal to 540. 6 times 87 is equal to 522. 5 times 84 is equal to 420. 9 times 81 is equal to 729. 2 times 78 is 156. 3 times 75 is 225. 5 times 72 is 360. Okay? And then, i-add lang natin silang lahat. So, pag in-add natin itong lahat, pwede tayo gumamit ng calculator. So, pag ginamit natin yung calculator, that is equal to, okay, 198 plus 96 plus 93 plus 540 plus 522 plus 420 plus 729 plus 156 plus 225 plus 360. That is equal to 3,339. Okay. Now, nakuha na natin ang summation ng fx sub n at i-remind natin o balikan natin yung ating formula. So, yung formula is median equals or mean equals summation of fx sub m over n. So, summation ng fxm ay 3,339 over yung n is 40. That is equal to 3,339 divided by 40 is 83.475. Yun ang ating mean. Okay? So, the mean score of 40 students in math quiz is approximately equal to 83.475. Next is the median of group data. So, the formula for the median of group data is this one. So, yung median, yun pa rin yung gitna. Pero since marami nga tayong given na data, gagamit ulit tayo ng frequency distribution. Pero, iba ito doon sa ating pagkuha ng mean. Okay? So, ito yung ating formula. So, ito, kapag ka yung x tapos merong kulot doon sa ibabaw, that is the median. Ito naman ay the lower boundary of true lower limit of the median class. Ito namang n ay yung total frequency. Ito namang CF sub b is cumulative frequency before the middle class, frequency of the median class, at yung I ay class interval. So, for example, calculate the median scores of 60 students who took a 30-point math quiz. So, ito yung ating scores and frequency. So, ito ay katulad din nung kanina ng frequency distribution. Dito yung scores at dito naman yung frequency. Nakalagay na yung ating sum or n which is 60. So, this time, magdadagdag tayo ng ng column. Ang tawag dito ay cumulative frequencies. So, para makuha yung cumulative frequency, ay i-add lang natin lahat. Okay? So, dito, sa baba, dito ay 14. Ito yon. 14 plus 10 is equal to 24. 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. 30 plus 6 is 44. 40 plus 6 is 50. 50 plus 3 is 53. 50 plus 3, 56. 50 plus 3, 59. 50 plus 1 is 60. Okay? And then, meron tayong tinatawag na median class. Okay? Paano mo makuha yung median class? So, yung n score divided by 2. So, yung n is 60 divided by 2, that is 30. Bali, hahanapin natin dito sa class interval, dito, kung alin yung nasa gitna. Di ba ang median yung middle niya, yung nasa gitna. So, kaya natin hinati sa dalawa to, which is 30. Hanapin natin yung cumulative frequency kung saan nakakabilang yung 30. So, this time, yung 30 ay ito. Kaya, ang ating median class ay ito. Okay? Yan yung ating median class. Okay? Now, since nakuha na natin yung ating median class, ay isulat natin yung ating formula. So, yung formula natin is median is equal to the lower boundary plus n divide 2 minus c f sub b over f sub m times the interval. Okay? Ano ba itong X, L sub B? Okay? Ito ay yung lower boundary of the true lower limit of the median class. So, ito ay, di ba ito ang lower boundary? So, yung nasa baba nun, mas mababa dun ay 13. So, yung gitna noon, nung 14 at 13 is 13.5. Okay? Kaya yun yung ating lower boundary of true lower limit of the median class. Okay? Next is ang ating total frequency is 60. Okay? Next is the cumulative frequency before the median class. Cumulative frequency ay ito, before the median class. Bago mag-30 ay 24. Okay? And then, yung F sub M ay frequency of the median class. So, ang median class natin ay ito. So, ang frequency niya ay 6. At ang interval, ibig sabihin ng interval ay kung ano yung size ng bawat interval. So, ilan ba yung nasa isang interval? 14 at 15, dalawa lang yun, kaya 2. Okay? Now, isulat na natin yung form. I-substitute na natin itong mga ito dun sa ating formula. Palitan lang natin ng color. Okay. So, ang ating formula is median equals, ang ito ay 13.5 plus n divided by 2. Ang n natin ay 60. 60 divided 2 is 30 minus cumulative frequency before is 24 over F sub M is 6 times interval is 2. Okay? So, the median is equal to 13.5 plus 30 minus 24 is 6 over 6 times 2. So, the median is equal to 13.5 plus 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 2. Median is equal to 13.5 plus 1 times 2 is 2. Median is equal to 13.5 plus 2 is 15.5. So, ang median natin ay 15.5. Now, since yung gitna natin ay 15.5, that is 1 to 30. Okay? Yun yung ating median ng ating group data. Now, punta naman tayo sa mode. So, yung mode, yun yung pinakamaraming beses na nag-a-appear, pero gagamit pa rin tayo ng frequency distribution kasi madami ulit yung ating given na data kapag group. Now, ang given natin na formula ay ito. So, kapag ka naman mode, ang symbol niya ay ito. Okay? Parang may arrow sa taas. So, ito naman, katulad din ng median, lower boundary of the modal class. Next is this one. Triangle 1 or difference 1. So, yung difference between the frequency of the interval containing the mode and the frequency of the next lower class interval. So, mukha lang nakakalito pero mas madali ang mode kesa sa median. Okay? Ito naman yung difference 2 at yung class interval. Proceed na tayo sa examples. So, for example, you are going to find the mode of the following frequency distribution. So, given na ang ating scores, ito yung ating interval, ang ating frequency, at yung total. So, yung n natin is 40. So, we are just going to identify what is the modal class. So, para makuha natin yung modal class, okay, titingnan natin kung ano yung pinakamaraming frequency. So, yung pinakamaraming frequency dito ay yung 9. Diba? Kasi yung iba ay 2, 1, 1, 6, 6, 5, 2, 3, 5 lang. Kaya, ang ating modal class ay ito. Okay? Kasi nandun yung 9. Naintindihan po? Now, ngayon, mag-proceed na tayo sa pagsasolve. So, since ang modal class natin ay 82, sulat muna natin yung formula. Mode is equal to lower boundary plus difference 1 over difference 1 plus difference 2 times I, or interval. So, ang lower boundary ay ang pagitan ng 80 at 79 is 79.5. Okay? And then, first difference. So, madali lang ito. Pagka first difference, ipagmaminus lang natin itong frequency na given na nasa modal class minus dun sa nasa baba. So, 99 minus 2. Okay? That is equal to 7. At ang difference 2 naman ay imaminus natin yung 9 dun sa taas. Okay? So, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay. At ang interval, class interval size naman, so ilan ba sa bawat interval? Meron tayong 80, 81 at 82. So, tatlo yon, kaya ang class interval size ay 3. Okay. So, proceed na tayo sa pagsasubstitute. So, mode is equal to lower boundary is 79.5 plus difference 1 is 7 over difference 1 is 7 ulit plus difference 2 is 4 times 3. Okay? Equals 79.5 plus 7 over 7 plus 4 is 11 times 3 is equal to 79.5 plus 7 divided by 11. Gamitin natin ang mahiwagang calculator. 7 divide 11 is equal to 0.64. Okay? I-round off na natin. And then, times 3. So, itatimes natin siya sa 3, which is 1.91. Okay? 79.5. 79.5 plus 1.91 is equal to 81.42. Okay? And that is the answer. Okay? Yun ang ating mode, 81.42. Okay, now, if meron kayong gustong balikan kasi marami siyang steps, pwede niyong balikan yung video at meron din naman tayong example dun sa inyong answer sheets or module. So, balikan nyo na lang yon. Now, for your learning task 1, you are going to find the mean of the following frequency distribution. So, susulat nyo lang dito yung median class at yung fx sub m. So, ipag-multiply nyo lang yung f at ito para makuha to, and then find the total. Tapos, you are going to write the computation para makuha ang mean. Okay? Next, you are going to find the median. Okay? So, ito yung data, cumulative frequency. Kung matatandaan ninyo, i-add lang natin to lahat pataas. Tapos, ito-total nyo lang, hahanapin nyo yung median class. Tapos, find n over 2, f over m, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay? Para makuha yung median. And then, dito naman, isusulat niyo yung median class, itong fx sub m, pag pinag-multiply ito, and cumulative frequency, total nito, and then you are going to find the mean, median, at mode. So, isusulat niyo sa baba yung inyong computation. And that's it. Good luck, and thank you for